Hi everyone, let's see how you can easily check the temperature of your CPU. So for the purpose, we'll be using a tool. Simply open your browser and search for Core Temp. From the search results, go to its official web page and simply download the tool from here. Once downloaded, right-click over the file and run it as administrator. Click on Next. Accept the license agreement. At this point, if you want to install additional language packs, keep this selected and click on Next. Uncheck the View README file option. So this is a pretty simple dashboard where you will find all the core information of your processor and the related temperature as per the cores of your CPU. Now if you go to options, you'll get to see overheat protection. You can simply enable it from here and set it to automatic, or either you can choose this option and set a preferred temperature here. So as a reference, I am putting on the screen some key temperature ranges. So if the temperatures are consistently high, you can take prevention ensuring that the fans are clean, the airflow is not blocked, and the thermal paste is replaced. Now if you go to tools, you can take screenshot of the temperatures. So these will help keep a track of the temperature of your CPU. If you minimize the program and go to the taskbar, you can see the temperatures of all the cores your CPU has. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.